Have a good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Lauren Morojo. I am 34 years old. I am single with live-in partner. We have three kids, age 17, 8, and 4 years old. I am high school graduate. My mother's name is Gloria Escarpe. My father's name is Joseph Rojo. I have one older brother, one younger sister, and I am the second amongst the siblings. I have work experience here in Philippines as a nanny or house caretaker. My duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, do the laundry, taking care of children. I am also willing to taking care of newborn, pets, and elderly. To all Hong Kong employers, please choose me because I am very hardworking, honest, patient, and understanding. I will do my best to serve your family and treat your family as my own. Thank you.